So in this example, we have a closer look at the rear screen wiper itself. And we're particularly interested to see what happens at the point where the wiper flips from the left to the right. And also to see if there's maybe some special contact points where it makes more noise or less noise. So as a conclusion, of course, we did find the electromotor itself that drives the wiper. We've also found 2-3 contact points of the wiper where it touches the windscreen more than other parts of the wiper. And also we could clearly find the part where the wiper flips from going to the left side, going to the right side.